Okay friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert an LRV file to an MP3 file. I had an issue the other day where I accidentally deleted my MP3 file, so then I have LRV files left for my video, and of course LRV file I couldn't edit it on my software editing software. So first thing you got to do is you got to download a software. It's called VLC Medial Player, and it's free. As you can see, it's an org document. You click on it and then it takes you to there and you download it. On this already I have it download, and it's right here, VLC Medial Player, you can see, and you just click on it, you open it. Once you download it, of course install it. But let me show you, as this is the file that I am trying to convert. It says Windows Media Player. Let's click on it again here. It comes up here. Let's go to Option, Properties, and you can see it's actually an LRV file, so it's not showing up either as a it can't be read on my Windows desktop. So once you open this app here, let's jump back on here, go to Media, you go to Convert, and you hit Add, and you select, since this is located in my desktop, and as you can see, it can't read it, so you go down here, select All Files, and then voila, it shows up here. Click on it, select it, and once you select it, it says, you can see that it says Add, which you already did. So you just go down here and convert, select Convert and Save, and then the video file you want is H.264 MP3. That's what I want, and it gives you all, you can see all the options, but this is pretty much the standard here. Then you click on this tool sign and you go to see, it's already got MP3 4 movie, video codec. You want audio here, keep original audio track. I always want that because you want this audio track to be in sync. Hit save, and then once you do that, you gotta hit browse, and I'm gonna save it into my desktop, which is already located. If not, you can click desktop. Then next thing you gotta do, you gotta type in .mp3, okay, and hit save, and it's gonna start processing. You see it's starting to process there, and you just gotta wait till it gets done. And voila, now you can see the Windows desktop is actually able to read the file, and my icon came up. It shows my picture, a video preview of it, or a preview pic of it. But that's all to it. It's real easy, and again, this software is free. You can download it, and let's just check it one more time. Properties, and voila, it's MP3 format now, and you can see that here, and voila, there you go, it's MP3 4, as you can see. But yeah, that's all to it. It's real simple. Again, use that software, and I tried several other ways. It did not work for me, like did the command prompt, changing the file also from LRV, the link file from LRV to MP3, that did not work. But this is the only way that worked for me.